guys, so today we're gonna be doing episode 2 of Farm Life. So yeah, let's see what happens this episode. Okay, let's get sleep real quick. I don't know why I was this at night. Okay, so I think our goal today is just to like explore maybe, yeah. So let's make the best of it. Okay, so oh wait, there's a car over there. I mean, I wouldn't mind exploring town. So I guess we'll do that. So I'm actually I'm like excited. Like what am I searching for? I mean, let's just go this way and keep driving until we find something. Okay, so honestly, this place looks nice. I wonder who it's for. Okay, so wait. I went the wrong way. Okay, so I went the right way now. Oh, look at this. Wait, this mansion's actually cool. Wonder if we can like sneak in. Okay. Oh, that's great. Okay. Let's head in if we can. Are we allowed to? I don't know. Oh, wait, look, there's someone. Oh, hi. Oh, so you sell stuff, huh? Well, I don't really have a lot of money, so, actually, let's explore this mansion first, then head to the basement. Actually, let's go the other way. I don't really feel like going there. I mean, this place is really cool. Oh my god. This place is huge. Oh, there's someone else. Hi. Oh my god, there's a pool. What? That's so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god, I actually love this place. Who owns it? Honestly, I wouldn't mind buying this place if no one owns it. I don't know what money, but I can figure it out someday. Okay, so now we're heading down the basement. What is this? What? There's nothing. Literally nothing. Expected more, honestly. Well, I mean, that was nice. Well, looks like there's not much here, so I guess I'll leave. I mean, I haven't explored like half of the place, but it seems pretty empty and I don't know. Like, all of that and no one's there. I don't know if I was like robbing, invading personal space, but I mean, I guess we should head back to the farm. So here we are. I mean, I don't really know what else to do. I mean, we explored a lot today. Maybe I'll just plant a bit of my seeds. Okay. Alright, I forgot that was wheat. There. Oh, wait, no, never mind. That's not wheat, that's oat. Oh, this doesn't have a seed. Okay, so, I mean, it's getting kind of late. I guess I should head back now. I mean, so far we haven't made any money, but I hope the next episode will make some sort. yeah, let's head in. Okay, let's go upstairs. Okay. Well, that's the end of episode 2 of Farm Life. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys later. Bye.